Hi guys, Lucas here. Thanks for tuning back to my channel. This happens to be a little radio that I purchased not too long ago for my RC cars, and I'm very happy with it. This is the Turbo Racing 3-channel 2.4 gigahertz 91803G-VT model, RX41. So it's a lot to say, so I'm definitely going to bring this to you. I got this off eBay for around $17.41 shipped to my door, which makes it the least expensive radio kit combo that I could find. So I just wanted something that had pretty good reviews. This seemed to be the one to go with. I haven't had a whole lot of luck with turbo racing, but this one, I've had it for a couple months. I'm pretty happy with this one. Dropped it, no problems. Response, always good. So let me show you what's inside the box when you get it. So I got this off eBay, like I said, $17.41, and it took about 2.5 weeks to get it. So there is a little bit of a wait time on this one. So everything is packaged better than what I just showed you, obviously, but I've been using it. So it comes in some parts here. So there's no batteries in it, so you will need 4 AAA batteries on this one, and let's go ahead and get it working. Okay. And it comes with this little battery lockout. Like that. Real easy. Then it will just slide right in here. Like that. Well, it has kind of a nice clicking sound. I mean, it feels really good, guys. You would think, you know, for $17, how good could it be? So. And it's 3-channel, which is awesome. Alright, so let's go ahead and hook it up to a servo and to a motor. Bring my little stuff over here for us, and I'll show you the functions. So, well, obviously in the first channel, we're going to set our servo in. The white wire goes towards the inside of the unit. Just like that. And then we're going to put our ESC in. Just like that. Plug in our motor leads. So yeah, if you guys had this radio, please leave comments down below. I want to know what you think about it. I've had pretty good success with this one. Shockingly, I wasn't expecting to be as good as it is. I use it in a lot of RC stuff. All right, so go ahead and cut it on, and cut this thing on. I got it on. Oh, let's plug it in. There we go. All right, so it's talked to itself. You heard it go to a little beep beep. So throttle is pretty immediately. There's no lag. And then everything's flawless on this thing as far as fit and finish. I don't see. I mean, look at this thing. There's no gaps anywhere. I mean, just nice. This could be situated for a left-handed person or a right-handed person. Like I said, yeah, so the signal is immediately. I would say it's almost as good as a Spectrum as far as receiving the signal. Almost. Now, what's cool is on top here you can set up, so you can put the throttle just a little bit, and if you have a crawler or something like that that goes up angles and stuff like that, kind of you want it to go slow or hold it, you can. Everything's pretty much, it does that in reverse or forward. Also, you have a reverse channel, which is nice. And what that is, so you just hold your steering for a couple seconds, hit the reverse, and you can change the servo position. So cool. Real easy to do. Also, what else has it got on here? It has a 3-channel. I don't have anything set for a 3-channel, but you do have a 3-channel function. So if you want to have it set up for another servo, you could. That'd be kind of cool as well, like for a rear steer or something maybe. So it just gives you all kinds of little things. The footprint's very small. It's only about 1 inch long and maybe about 3/4 inch wide. So I use it in my toy grade RC cars, and it's perfect fit. So that's pretty much it. I have had such a good time with this little radio, and it actually feels really good. It's kind of a satiny finish, so nothing crazy. So I highly recommend that little radio. eBay tends to be around $17 to $19 so far what I've been watching for the Turbo Racing 91803G-VT 3-channel. Highly recommend it. Definitely get it, guys. Also, I'm going to show you a little tip that I like. People say, how do you not lose your stuff? This is what I do. I buy these little bins from my local hobby and craft store, about 20 inches long, about 18 or so inches wide, or vice versa. And it stores all my stuff in it. This is another Kyosho Maxim that I'm doing. And every time I get a part, I just throw it in. That way it helps keep everything in spin. And then I keep the manual on top of it. So this is what I do in order not to lose stuff. I'm not saying I don't lose stuff, I still do. But it helps big time. So that's pretty much it, guys. I want to thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please hit a like. And I'd love for you to subscribe. Bye, guys.